Hey everyone! Today I'm going to swatch for you my entire collection of blue lipsticks. Hey, so I've been meaning to swatch all of my lipsticks for a while. Blue was one of the colors I was missing, so I decided to go ahead and do it. Finally, I had time to. I believe there's 20 of them, including bullet lipsticks, glosses, and liquid lipsticks. It was quite a range, so I hope you enjoy it. If you've got blue lipsticks you absolutely love, go ahead and put them in the comments. I'd love to expand that collection a little bit. I don't know why. But anyway, I hope you enjoy this video. It was really fun to do, and here we go. Alright, so my arm may look a little pink. I just did all of my pink lipsticks. However, the blues are just gonna like completely cover it. I'm certain of it. My blues that I've got here are very opaque and bright. I'm gonna do bullet lipsticks, glosses, and liquid lipsticks. Let's see if we have enough room. There's 20 of them, although I really have this feeling like I'm missing something. I don't think I am, so let's just get started with the bullet lipsticks. Surprise, surprise, I have more of the Covergirl Exhibitionist line, one metallic and one of the demi mattes. This is a line that is probably my favorite line. It was like my first favorite line, and they had 60 of them, including these very pretty metallics. This is a little sheer as far as this line goes. I mean, obviously I'm building it up here and it's a nice dark blue with some shimmer in it. The metallics, I believe, were discontinued though. I don't know if the whole metallic line was discontinued or just some of them. I don't know. I couldn't get one of the pink ones anymore. The other one I have is called Peacock. I have a couple lipsticks called Peacock. One of them is a teal. And this is the demi matte. The demi matte ones are quite dry and sheer. You compare them to something like the Milani mattes, and it's just Milani wins in the matte department. However, their cream line for the Covergirl Exhibitionists is amazing, so there's always that. Next, I have two Nicka K lipsticks. This one is actually an indigo. Of course, it doesn't say it on here. I got it because in the rainbow, indigo often gets overlooked. However, I think it's in one of their older lipsticks, and again, you can see this is quite dry and sheer. So I don't know, I don't know that they sell these anymore, period, but I believe they do still sell some of them. And the newer ones, wait till you see this. I think this is called Sky Blue, but I will put everything below. Gorgeous, opaque, beautiful powder blue. I mean, wow. They have a very slight scent. I can't place it. I'm really bad with smells, but it's very faint, but it's pleasant. Just beautiful sky blue. This should be another beautiful sky blue. This is from Nicka K. Wait a minute. No, I lied. This one's from Nicka K. This is from JCat, which I don't see in stores. I get all of these on Amazon. These do tend to separate over time, so be careful which ones you're getting. Anyway, an even lighter, gorgeous, opaque sky blue. Now this is looking more like a powder blue or pewter blue. These smell faintly like mint, but if they get too old, they smell bad, so be careful. This next one is discontinued, unfortunately. This whole hard candy line I fell in love with and then found out they didn't make them anymore. This one's called Night Queen. Another very nice solid bullet blue. Kind of like a medium blue, or I don't know, they're not quite as navy as down here. This one, I see a little bit of green in it, but it's not teal. Like when I put this on my lip, it is bright blue. Hopefully it'll show that quality compared to this Black Radiance one. Wait till you see the shape of this. What? So this is a sculptor, lip sculptor, I think is the line. It's called Magnetic Sapphire. Had to get it online. I didn't see the blues in the store ever. But you can line your lips with the tip and then use the sides to apply the lipstick. I don't want to break it. Oh gosh, that's gorgeous. It's nothing like the hard candy one, is it? This is what I expected the hard candy one to swatch like, but that's okay. It's looking really green now. That's so weird. But when you use it on your lips, then you're sharpening that point again. So it's a lip liner and lipstick in one tube. So I thought that was kind of cool. They have two purple, well, I have two purple ones. They have a whole bunch. Next one's a very deep blue by a Perfect Pout line by Wet n Wild, right? Yes, Wet n Wild. This one's called Power Outage. It's very dark. I like the smaller tip though. This is looking very gray. It is a very deep blue. I don't know how it'll show up on camera, so we'll have to see. This is just a really interesting colored, like very fun kind of line, this whole Perfect Pout one. Right, I got two Wet n Wild multi-sticks. I have a whole video about these where I swatch all of them except two in the line. Let's do the darker one first. It's called Blue La La. These can be lipsticks, eyeshadow, blah, 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 whatever. This one's called Not So Calm Waters. It's more of a teal. It's kind of a mess right now. I tried to use it in the waterline. Do not do that. It stained my waterline blue and bled everywhere, so not so good. I don't know why this one's crumbly. This is another one that's almost teal. It's like a cerulean, if that makes any sense to crayon lovers. I don't know. This is a fun little Hipdot double gloss thing. It's like a Rugrats collection or something, which I only vaguely know anything about. It's very opaque for a very metallic gloss. There's not much in here, but you can see it's quite, you know, you can make it quite blue. It's just fun. So I count this in the gloss category. The other side is just clear. You can barely see anything at all, and it won't take me long to use that up over top of things. This is one of the Covergirl Melting Pout Vinyl Vow. It's called Below Deck. They have lipsticks in this line, which I'm going to show you later. I have one. This is a gloss, though. I don't know what else to call it. It's a gloss. It doesn't dry down. It's a very pretty color, so it definitely adds color to your lip. But it disappears very quickly, and it doesn't dry down. It's very messy. So I count it as a gloss. This one. This was one of the first blues I was searching for. It took me a long time to find it. It's Obsessive Compulsive Cosmetics, or OCC. I have no idea if they're still around anymore. And it's their Lip Tar line. This was called RX, was it? Yes, this is called RX. I just wanted this bright blue color, and I couldn't find it at the time. This was like 2021, and then all of a sudden, a whole bunch of others came out. Gorgeous color. Absolutely gorgeous color. But I'm putting it, oh, and it smells like a refreshing, like kind of minty smell, but I'm putting it in the glosses because it is the most smeary, like liquidy lipstick ever. It doesn't dry down. I had no idea. It stains your teeth. It bleeds into my lip lines, although I'm getting a little better with lip liner, so maybe I'll just try that. Gosh, it's such a beautiful color, and it's very opaque, but it just looks like crap. It looks like you ate a Smurf after a little bit. So unfortunately, I haven't really reached for it at all. I really tried when I got it, and I'd like to try it more because I think now I'm a little better at applying difficult products. And then I couldn't go past blue glosses without the NYX Butter Gloss. This one's called Blueberry Tart. This one has a phenomenon where, like, when you put it on, it kind of makes your lips look purple because of the undertones in here, I guess. You can build it up. It's not going to be as pigmented as the previous two as far as glosses go. It's just a pretty powder blue. There's a whole bunch in this line, but of course I had to get, like, the weirdest color possible. All of these are cruelty-free. Every single one. There's one blue upcoming that is not cruelty-free, and I'll point that out. Let me go ahead and swatch the Covergirl lipstick Melting Pout. I don't think these are made anymore. I liked it when I first got it because, again, like the blues were a novelty for a little while. It smells a little bit expired, not gonna lie. It's looking kind of patchy now. I'm thinking I'm gonna have to declutter it, actually. I used it a couple times. I think they're just old and starting to turn. It's not unpleasant enough that I couldn't wear it, but it's a little bit flaky anyway, like even from the beginning. So the gloss has a better consistency and opacity, but this does dry down. The lipstick does dry down, but I don't know if it's worth it because of the other qualities. So this is called Supermodel. I don't know. I don't know what to say about it. Another one that's kind of probably not being made anymore, and I don't know if I should declutter it or not, is a NYX Liquid Suede line. This is called Jet Set. They had a couple blue ones. This is another, like, just gorgeous blue. Oh my god, that color. It smells a little weird, not gonna lie. This one, I have a purple one that smells worse though, so I think, I don't know. Are these still being made? They were very famous and very nice. Beautiful, you know, opacity and pigmentation and stuff. It's another, like, it's kind of like a deep powder blue, and this is like a medium one, and ugh. Blues can be so versatile. Look at this, it's amazing. That's one of my favorite parts of filming these, is just to look at them all together. I just think it's fascinating. Next I'm gonna swatch a little, I don't know if this is called Home Beauty or 7V Beauty or Home 7V Beauty, I don't know. It's just this cute little liquid lipstick line that I've only seen on Amazon. They have like every color in the universe. So I got the blue. I got a bunch of them, actually. I have a mustard yellow, I have some greens, I have some purples. Pretty decent for a $5 liquid lipstick. They stay on pretty long. This is sheared out a little bit. Some of the colors do better with pigmentation than others in this line. Alright, and then the last two I'm going to swatch are from We Makeup, which is from Italy, so that's why it says .it. And these were affordable to ship to the US, though. It was like $10 or something a piece. Of course, I got like 11 of them. Which color should I do first? Let's do the darker one. I don't know the names of them. It will be below. They're named after like volcanoes or something, so some of it I don't recognize. This is a gorgeous color, but honestly kind of messy to work with. Most of the We lipstick ones are just unbelievably wonderful, and they are all kinds of wacky colors, and they have normal colors too, but they're all just gorgeous. Let me show you the next lighter one and you'll see what I mean. But this one I've had issues staying on. It could just be that dark blue is hard to formulate and make look right and stay on and all that stuff. But look at this sky blue. Oh my goodness. This one I've used more than the darker one, and that's partly because it just doesn't budge and it's so unique. I mean, the only one that comes close is this JCat one, but these are still being made and JCat might not be. Beautiful, isn't it? It's just stunning. Last one is the only one that's not cruelty-free. Really nice lipstick, but I don't need a blue lip more than I need an animal safety. Trying not to go on a rant completely, but it's something I'm passionate about. Anyway, these Mousse lipsticks are so comfortable. They smell amazing. They don't last very long. And this was kind of the only like oddball color. It almost looks gray sometimes. But it's blue. You could have it pass for gray. I think it's called, is it called Blue Oasis? Yeah, it's called Blue Oasis. So bluey gray. I love wearing these. I enjoy putting them on. I was trying to buy as many of them as I could because they were so comfortable, but then I was like, oh, but they test on animals. None of the rest of this line tests on animals, so it is clearly not necessary. So the pink arm clearly did not make a difference. These blues are gorgeous and bright and opaque, pigmented for the most part. Some of them are patchier than others, but quite a wide variety here, and I'm happy to be able to put them all in one arm. So thank you so much for watching. We have a ton of swatch videos. We have a lot of eyeshadow palettes. We have a whole bunch of color collections of lipsticks. Blue is not the only wacky color we have put up so far. And the rest of the colors we are working on as we speak. So we're art and animals here at FlyOn. We have an art video on Tuesdays, mostly makeup to be fair. An animal video on Fridays, and then Sunday can be anything in between, sometimes one or the other. So go ahead and subscribe if you want to see what we're up to. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye. Did I have it on my teeth? No. Did I like that one? Or it's just broken. I'm still looking for some variety. No, I don't want to say that. Why won't this come out anymore? It's hard to make small swatches when you've got a full-blown lipstick. Like, I don't know. Hopefully that's showing up in the camera, because I can never tell. How does this doe foot even go? I don't know. We'll find out. I'm gonna have to get some more blues. That's what I'm gonna have to do.